ng aking guest. It's a Friday, so thank you for spending your weekend with us. So, pinagbigyan naman ako ni Paul and Dane. Because ladies and gentlemen, tonight, before we start our program, magsisimula na ako mamigay ng cash at ng gift certificates. Pero eto na, ito, hindi talaga ito from Paul. Ladies and gentlemen, if you guys have nothing to do the rest of the evening, later on, one of my beautiful guests tonight is gonna walk away 10,000 richer later on. Ang tagal mo niligawan mo, from Paul. Tonight ay magaling at makinig pagdating sa music or mga kanta. Oh! Let's see. Now, the reason why I'm asking is, here's how we'll play. I have... Ay, parang narinig ka. What? Sinong sasagot?
Our guest na po.
Our guest of honor. Let's see. Hi, what is your name? Marian. Oh my God, my first 1,000 is flying away tonight. Marian, from the 90s, our first mystery song is... Ooh! Macarena! Marian, Macarena! 1,000! Guys, huwag niyo itatakilan, ituloy niyo kasi puro cash ang may pamilya ko ang ilalabas sa tonight. Cash at GC lang, cash at GC. Now, from 90s, kung mahilig kayo, tayo dyan natin, o ito po, mag-Starbucks ka mamaya! I'll run out of money tonight. Alright. Now, I think my newlyweds are almost looking ready. I'm just waiting for them to finish and round the retouch. This is my last song for tonight. So, kanina nag-1,000 ako, may GC ako. For my last song, I will go ahead and give away another 1,000 cash. Now, here's the deal. Alright? Kung kanina, per table, mag-hati-hati, ang makakakuha ng title ng last jackpot song ko is a sole winner of 1,000 peso cash. Now, here's the deal. When my mystery song drops, ang pinakamabilis na guest na makatakbo sa akin dito nang may tamang title ng kanta, ganun kabilis, 1,000 peso cash. Again, I need the complete, correct title of the song. Hi, where's the sponsor?
Yes.
From behind our video.
Alright, thank you.
And here we go, Arvin. For 1,000 peso cash, the title of the song is
Dying Inside.
Arvin. Dying Inside. Dying Inside is correct! Guys, teka lang. Coming for one night only this evening. Come on, make some noise for Arvin. June Garino and Remy Garino! Come on! Woo! Parang ang sarap kasama sa bar ninyo. I love the energy, I love the energy. But ladies and gentlemen, also one more VIPs, our secondary sponsors, starting off with Kenneth Torres and Maria Andrea Domingo! Also, coming in hot tonight, please give it up and make some noise for Primitivo Hernandez and Erika Patuba! The real stars of the night is officially here. So, if some noise! And here they come, ladies and gentlemen, finally celebrating their new journey today. Please give it up for Mr. and Mrs. Bob and Dave Hernandez! Si Paul and si Dean na wala mong showdown. Meron na kayo ni Dave. Because ladies and gentlemen, ito na. Forgive their showdown performance tonight is of course ladies first. So Because you cannot just go ahead and simply dance with Dane. Dane, you want to get a special man, right? So go ahead. Take that hand to the dance floor. One last special dance with the one and only Mr. Raymond Bansir.
Tomorrow morning, if you wake up and the sun does not appear, I will be here. If in the dark we lose sight of love, hold on.
We have a very important reminder for you tonight. That once Mr. Bansir turned over that hand, we are on a no return, no exchange policy. She's all yours forever. So take care of her. Ladies and gentlemen, the hand has been officially given away. We have waited long enough for this.
sana ano din na maging maswerte din siya sa'yo. And I'm happy for both of you that alam kong masaya ka. And I wish that you just love and take care of each other forever.
Well, if we have heard from the other side of the...
Hindi naman ako nagkamali. Nakilala pa kita ng gusto. Sana lang alagaan mo si Daniel. Tsaka... Basta, kung may problema, laging mag-usapan ka agad. Walang secret para tumagal yung pagsasama mo. Yun lang. Welcome sa family na yan ko. Love you both.
And first, good evening, ladies and gentlemen. First, I'd like to thank God for this wonderful evening. And thank you to all of you who graced this special event of my daughter and, of course, my son now, Paul. My only wish for them is I hope they surpass the trials in their married life, and they just need to put God first. At saka, yun nga, magpasensyahan sa buhay mag-asawa at lahat mag-resolve. I love you, Neng, and Paul. Sana madalas ang pagbisita niyo sa amin. Thank you.
Very good. Thank you so much to the lovely parents, of course, of our bride. And, hold on, I have one special wisher tonight. Please, on stage, let's hear what she has to say. Of course, the sister of our bride. Please give it up for Marielle and Betsy! Let's go, Marielle.
Siyempre, una sa lahat, gusto kong i-congratulate yung dalawa. Parang dati lang, pag pinag-uusapan yung nandidiri ka pa. Pero ngayon, tapos ikaw, Mol, dati lang nahiya ka magpaalam. Pero ngayon, wala na paalam. Forever na to. Ayun lang, sana kumaba yung marriage nyo and maging happy lang kayo. Andito lang ako. Kasi naging kapag kuya ko. Thank you. Dito lang ako para sa iyo.
Thank you so much. And now, it's official. We have prepared for everybody. Let's go ahead and have a short blessing for our meals. And to lead us on to our blessing for dinner, ladies and gentlemen, on stage, let's have Hurricane Gulostra for our blessing.
Sisingilin ko na kayo. Gusto ko po talaga tumanggi kasi hindi ako nagsasalita. Pero simula college, hindi pa sila. Ikaw may honor na. Paano ko tatanggal? Nagkakilala ko kami first year college, first day.
Or mamaya na po.
Wala na, nakawala. And tapos, so, nagkakilala kayo third year college. So, parang sabay ko lang silang nakikilala, sabay ko silang naka-close. And, hindi ko alam bakit sa akin lagi ito tumatakbo pag may kailangan siya kay Dave. Pag may kailangan siyang malaman niya pag magre-regalo, gano'n. Kaya, ano nangyari? Parang mas close na kami ni Paul. Kasi siya naman, hindi masyado nagtatanong sa akin. Ang ano ba, may joke pa na kabit ako ni kasi pag sorry. Kasi pag yung phone ni Paul, pag nag-message ako, bawal basahin ni Jay. Kasi lahat ng secret, lahat ng plano niya, saan kami nag-uusap. And parang simula college, nakita ko kung gano'n niya kamahal si Jay. Parang simula nga college, sinasabi nila na pinoponor ako. Tapos simula college, nag-iisip ako paano ko sasabihin ko na wala akong nakanda kahit ano. Kasi parang lahat ng memories na magkakasama kami. Kasi dakilang third wheel po nila ako. Lagi nila akong baby, kahit ako malaki. Parang nung una-una mo pag nag-aaway sila, magsusumbong sa akin sila. Kakainis ko. Mamaya mga after 5 minutes, ito naman, nagalit si Dave. Tapos simula doon sa hindi sa super mature na nila, sa hanggang doon sa nag-plan na si Paul ng proposal. Nag-plan po siya parang 1.5 years before ng proposal. Ganun siya ka-prepared, ganun siya ka-ready, ganun siya ka-sure kay Dave. And, nakita ko kung paano niya kamahal si Dave at paano rin kamahal ni Dave si Paul. At kahit po sinabi nila tita nila dito, kita-kita rin po nila kasi grabe po magmahal si Paul kay Dave. At kahit kami mga friends niya, nadamay kami dun sa efforts na pinapakita niya kay Dave. Kasi pag nagpapakita siya kay Dave, dapat kami din lahat. Ganun po na mahal. And super happy ako for Dave. Parang hindi masyado na nandito na kayo. Happy anniversary, sis. Alam ko na alam niyo na yung isa't isa. And nakapag-desisyon na kayo ng ganito. At alam kong sure na sure kayo. And ready na ako maging nina. So, congratulations. And nandito pa rin ako lagi ready for third wheel. At naman po kayo.
There we go. Thank you so much. Of course, the mga Novia Maid of Honor, Bea, just stay here with me because we have one for you here. Dahil before we can raise the glasses,
You
from the same neighborhood. Literal na magnanikip yung pader ng bahay namin. And I think si Paul yung una kong nakilala na tropa dun sa amin, nung bata kami. So, basically, I always saw Paul as like the cool guy sa tropa namin. Siya lang din yung may six-pack abs. He's always fun to be with. And siya lang din yung he's the type of friend na kung ano, sabihan mo lang siya kahit hindi ka masyadong nakapan for, you know what, pero message mo lang siya kahit isang beses, he's always got your back. That's the type of friend Paul is. And so, for me growing up, ang dami namin ginawang kalakuan, pati sa mga hindi, kumbaga, tulad nung mag-doorbell si Metchor, tapos biglang tatakbo kami sa random na bahay. Yung Red Doors na may wagang malo na Red Doors. Maglalaro ng NBA 2K, buong gabi, marathon ng Walking Dead. I didn't realize at the time, pero looking back now, at those moments, I wouldn't be who I am nang wala yun ngayon. And basically, I wouldn't be who I am without phone, without mga friends namin. And I just want to say na Dane, just want to thank you na you've been the best thing that's ever happened to Paul. And Paul, gusto mo pagkitin ko yung DSLR? Joke lang. Last, I just want to congratulate you guys. Finally, it's official, and congratulations and best wishes to both of you.
There you go. Kailangan mag-message kay Paul at kay Dane. Alright? Oh, eto na. Eto na. Oy! Sino kaya si Menchor ba? Si Aaron ba? Oh! Sino to? Ikaw! O, isa. One more. Hindi yan pwede. Yan. One more. Oh! Ayan na. Tingnan natin. Mukhang favorite ko today dyan, ha? Naka-message na. Hoy! Sino to? Punta dito. Tayo!
First of all, I would like to thank you for inviting us and being part of your special day. Sige na. And wish you all the best. And to be honest, you are both lucky because we found each other and focused to each other. Kasi yung iba naghahanap pa, yung iba nakita na pero pinakawalan pa. Pero kayo, I know love is always there, and sana hindi mo wala yung respect for siya. So, yun. Thank you.
Ladies and gentlemen, give it up for Richmond right here! Our lucky gift for tonight. Guys, this one, Mrs. Hernandez. Everybody, come on! Girl. all watch this. Enjoy. Ladies and gentlemen, what is? Well, I need one chair. Ding, I need you here. Yeah. Oh! At ang huling number for me. Dahil yung winning digit for dito. Guys, correct me if I'm wrong, Balita ko kasi yung sipunin, napakabait daw nito. Totoo ba yun? Guys, hindi na daw mabait, napakapagmahal pa. Totoo ba yun? Guys, baka hindi alam na itong aking Brune, hindi na ito mabait at mapagmahal. Dahil baka hindi nyo alam na si Paul, napakagaling din sumayaw! Just right here for one night only. So, ladies and gentlemen, for some booty tonight, please make some noise for the man of the hour. Give it up for Mr. Paul Hernandez. At syempre, the moment we've waiting for, Paul, this is it. May hinahanap tayo, hinahanap natin. Iinabuhin, kaya naman. What else to do, Paul? Pasok. Ay, naku, pumasok na. Ay, mukhang bibig ang ginamit ni Paul, ha? Hindi basta kamay. Ay, mukhang nakuha na. Mukhang nakuha na. Paul, paano pagkain mo dyan, Paul, ha? Ay! Pakita mo naman sa akin yan, Paul. Show that to everybody. Ladies and gentlemen, let's give it up for Mr. Paul Hernandez! Paul! Ipapasa ngayon natin yan. Kaya naman, Paul. Eto na. Let's go ahead and call out your single voice, please. Eto na. Oh.
Richmond.
Richmond! Hey, Richmond.
DJ.
DJ! Richmond, DJ, Dito, Mariano.
Troy Samaniano.
Troy Samaniano.
Troy Samaniano!
Zeran.
Troy, let's go. Sino ba? Subukan ko naman voice ko ah.
Right.
Right! Alright.
Kasi.
Clear na kayo na hindi pa alam na nagka-right ka na nakakapit ka rin niya. Richmond, singles, Richmond.
Sige na, sige.
Ay! Sige sa pato. Mukhang excited na maging favorite. Gano'n ang taga-single na singles si Richmond. Kung 6 birthday na ako kay Richmond. 2 years old. 2 years pa lang single. 2 months. Oh! Dito, boys, hindi tayo maglalaro ng throwing of garter and throwing of bouquet. Alright? We'll play a game. Ang makatalo sa game, automatic, he will be the lover boy of the night. Alright? Now, tanggalin ang left shoe. Left. 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 Oh, boys, hanap kay Paul and David. Oh. Now, boys, napakasimple ng gagawin natin. Alright? Ang kailangan nyo na gawin, pagbilang ko ng 3, ay hanapin ng kapartner ng sapatos nyo. Pag nakita nyo, isusuot, tatakbo sa akin. Pag nakarating sa akin yung 2 sapatos, safe na, out na sa game. Ang pinakahuli na makakarating sa akin 2 sapatos, siya na ang aking PJ, nakita mo naman, medyo nilabangan tayo ng aking group. So, kailangan medyo makakanggilas naman natin ang ano, ha?
Sasayaw na.
Kailangan medyo... Parang natatakot si Rasha. Go, PJ. Kapag tinanggal natin yan kay Dane, isusuot naman natin yan kay Rasha. Kaya na, PJ, please. Parang ang baba. Anong sigaw natin? Higher! Let's go, PJ! Okay na ba tayo? Nakatinahita. Anong sigaw natin? Higher! Gusto natin hanggang bewang ni Rasha. Tama na. Ladies and gentlemen, palakpakan na natin PJ and Rasha! Picture, guys.
Thank you for accepting me since 2017. Thank you po. To my family, of course, for all the support since then. Thank you so much. Thank you. To Ate, Kuya Tora, yes, nag-sponsor kayo. Thank you so much. To Kuya Carlan and Spam, thank you so much. To our principal sponsors, Secondary, our entourage, thank you so much. Hindi po biro maging entourage, hassle, mainit, yan, daming pictorial, parod. So, thank you. Thank you everyone. Of course, to our suppliers, first is our prep venue, Casa Rita, thank you so much. To our reception venue, Hardin de Marimar for the beautiful venue. Then, of course, live ng gabi to our coordination and host, Miss Mariel, thank you to Miss Reg, thank you to Miss Genesis, to Miss Anna, thank you everyone. You made our day less hassle, na-enjoy namin, nakakain kami. Hindi kami pagod, parang wala kami nintindi today, so thank you so much. To our catering Rich Gold, thank you. Thank you for our cake. Yan. Thank you for the lechon. Yes, to Mami Yubi, thank you for the lechon. Thank you po. Our photo video team, Sir Romel and team, thank you so much. Since prenup, di kami napagod. Di namin naramdaman yung pagod every end of the day ng mga shoot natin. So thank you. You made it so simple, yeah, easy, yet fun and meaningful. So thank you so much. To our hair and makeup team, Sir Marco, thank you. Our Rango Florist, our mobile bar, Satisfied Mobile Bar, thank you. Sunset Lights, 888, thank you so much. To our entourage and crew meals, Little
Mami and Daddy. Sila kakaasa si Mama. Hindi to matutuloy kung walang blessing ng lahat. Yan sa family ko, sa support niya. Thank you.
Thank you everybody for joining us up until the end. And here we go! Guys, pagtawag nyo at mag-ring on your end, kalma lang. Sasagutin namin, we need to hear the official name of our 10,000 winner tonight. Ayan. Number 3. 0928-162. Ayun na, pumasok na. Sasagutin namin. Hello? Hello? Anong pangalan? Kenneth? Kenneth! Congratulations! Kenneth! Halika na! Kenneth! Let's go, Kenneth! Grabe, oh! Kenneth, before we give out the after party, picture muna with your 10,000. Picture. Kenneth, nakita mo yung mga yan. At hindi nagsikubihan kasi inaantayan. Ngayon, ang gusto ko, buksan mo yan, ingitin mo silang lahat. Buksan mo. Yan. Oh! Ano nakalagay?
Hindi ata totoo. Hindi really.
10,000 mAh power bank.
Yeah! Sinobre ko na ito eh. Kasi, Kenneth, ito na, 10,000 milliampere na power bank. Oh, picture, 10,000. Kenneth, picture. Kailangan may sumibig yung 10,000. Yeah? Oh, sinasabi ko, maraming gulo yan. Thank you so much, everybody, for having fun with us. Guys, everybody tayo, at puno lahat sa stage.
Ayun pala meron kang. Sabi ko hindi na tayo makipit.
Isang maraming salamat to everybody for making this a special wedding. Everybody, picture! Congratulations!